Gotta do that shit again. Damn.
Gotta do that shit again. Gotta do that shit again. Damn. Nigga step up off me, I don't know you like that. Nigga step up off me, nigga better watch your back. Cause I always hit you with a stick, literally a stick. I always hit you with a stick, literally a stick. Nigga better stay clear. Cause nigga, I'm right here.
Alright, peace family. I'm over here at Bet the Salon, so kids at lunch. So while they at lunch or whatever, I want to help some of y'all, because I know a lot of y'all have sexual energies that y'all cannot control, because in America, we're programmed, the subconscious mind is programmed to fucking, I don't know, sex sells, nigga. That's all niggas think about. That's all they, try to advertise and shit, instill fear and shit. So I'm gonna show y'all how to manifest with that over-sexualized energy and that sacral energy that just be open, overactive, and how to close it or balance it. So one thing to keep in mind is that sex is sacred, and sex is the reason why we all exist. Sex is the reason why I exist. I am who I am because of who we all are, and you gotta realize it's deep and generational. Now, sex is a ritual, and it's an alchemy spell to summon a whole nother human being onto this dimension. So you need to realize that any type of sexual energy is creative energy. When you draw, that's sexual energy. When you take pictures and edit them, that's sexual energy. You know what I'm saying? Anytime you're being creative, that's sexual energy, because sex is the act of creation. You understand? So with that being said, anytime you get those urges and shit, fucking don't beat your meat, nigga. Get your ass up and draw something. If you do whatever you love to do a hobby that you like, creating something. It's a form of satisfaction. So we need to love ourselves and embrace the feminine yin and the masculine yang within ourselves. The best relationship you can have is with yourself. You could be so intimate with yourself, you don't need another person. You are not half, you are a whole. The point of relationship is to search for another whole. You guys are two wholes that are complete. If you guys are two halves, you guys will just be two halves. Two halves, not two wholes. Now, happiness is a byproduct of new experiences and creativity, and it's one of the best ways to reprogram your subconscious mind in the healthiest way possible. Why do you think they say brainwash? You need to cleanse your mind, you need to cleanse your energy, you need to cleanse your brain. And remember that the body is the subconscious mind. What you do throughout your day, how you act, how you speak, reflects the inner mind. So I just want y'all to know that you can express your sexual energy in a very healthy way, and it doesn't even have to be through sex, just through creation. Creation is sexual energy. Creation reprograms the subconscious mind. Creation creates new experiences. Doing what you love, doing what makes you satisfied. Finish something you start. It's the best way to build willpower, and you need to ask yourself, what are the super small, simple, small steps where I cannot possibly fail to be successful? Because once you start something, you gotta finish it, and when you finish it, it refines that willpower muscle within your brain, within your mind. You're refining your mind. So take those small steps to create that bigger picture. Even when you're creating, it's okay to take that small ass step where you cannot possibly fail. You are not a failure. But alright, y'all, I'm gonna leave y'all with that, and let me get back to my community. Peace.
Massive amount of bodies, like a fucking monster stepping on my floor, man. Yeah, you better act proper. Drip wet, got water, aquatic animal otter, come back like a phoenix. High school, I'm a martyr. I get it that you don't get it, but it's okay though. I just get it, stay 10 toes. Grounded, got earth powers, I just knock them out of tail. Bitch, click your heels, go return home. All you niggas soft, turn your ass to styrofoam. Sly Cooper in the field, how I roam. I knock it on my day, yo, ass to side up sideways. Either my way or the highway. Got reason for why I'm finding best. I be kicking like a punt. Relax, had to spark up this in the